Welcome to Passive Money, where we turn dreams into streams of income. In today's digital era, making money online has never been easier. We're about to explore the top 10 apps that can help you earn money online in 2024. Whether you're into gaming, surveys, or innovative side hustles, there's an opportunity for everyone. So, let's jump right in. Kicking off our list is Cash Quest. This survey app is a goldmine for anyone looking to make some quick cash. Available on both iOS and Android, Cash Quest offers a variety of surveys that you can take on the go. Whether you're waiting for a bus or taking a lunch break, turn that time into money effortlessly. Next, we have EcoPlay, a unique blend of entertainment and environmental consciousness. This app, easily downloadable from the App Store or Google Play, rewards you for playing games. Each game you play contributes to environmental causes, making your gaming time both fun and meaningful. Then there's TaskTrek. This app is a gig economy enthusiast's dream, connecting you with quick and easy tasks in your local area. Whether you're in New York, London, or Tokyo, TaskTrek has something for you. Download it from your smartphone's app store and start browsing tasks that fit your skills and schedule. StudyBuddy is up next. Found on both major app platforms, this app pays you for your academic expertise. It's perfect for college students or teachers looking to earn some extra cash. You can help students across the globe with their studies and get paid for your knowledge and time. Remember, if you love what you're hearing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Passive Money for more innovative ways to earn online. Now let's talk about Snap Receipt. It's time to stop throwing away those shopping receipts because they're worth money. Snap Receipt is available for both Android and iPhone users. Just shop as you normally would, snap pictures of your receipts, and watch the points roll in. Fitcoin is next, and it's a fitness buff's dream come true. This app rewards you for staying active and is available on both iOS and Android. Walk, run, hit the gym, and earn Fitcoins for every bit of effort you put into staying healthy. For the creatives out there, Homestyle is your canvas. This app, accessible on iOS and Android, allows you to flex your interior design skills. Offer design advice, create layouts, and get paid for your creative insights. Lingoloot caters to those who have a way with words in different languages. Whether you're a native speaker or a language enthusiast, this app pays for translation and transcription tasks. It's available across all platforms and is a great way to put your language skills to profitable use. Our ninth app is EcoDrive. Promoting safe and responsible driving, EcoDrive is a must-have for car owners. Download it on your smartphone, drive safely, and accumulate points that can be converted into rewards. It's an easy way to make your daily commute or road trips more rewarding. Lastly, we have InvestWise. This is the app for anyone interested in dipping their toes into the world of investing. Available on all app stores, InvestWise provides educational resources and tools for practicing stock trading. It's perfect for beginners looking to learn and grow in the investment sphere. But wait, there's more. Each of these apps offers unique referral programs. Imagine earning more just by inviting friends to join. Share your favorite apps with friends and family, and take advantage of these bonus earning opportunities. It's a win-win. Your friends discover new ways to earn, and you get rewarded for spreading the word. And there we have it. 10 incredible apps that are just a tap away in your app store. No matter where you are, your smartphone is a gateway to earning. These apps are designed to fit into your lifestyle, whether you're looking for passive income, side hustles, or new skills. With apps like these, earning money online is not just a possibility, it's a reality. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more amazing content from Passive Money. We are constantly exploring new ways to help you make money online. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks on turning your everyday activities into profitable ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.